Hi, Coffee for Life. Today's training video is on how to clean the Gaia fresh milk machine. Very simple process. Open both doors. First of all, we take out the milk, holding onto the milk pipe so that the milk doesn't drip back into the fridge. So remove the milk container, set it aside. We then get a cup or so of clean water, put the pipe into it. We then introduce the milk cleaner, a small dose into the cup.
Let's go. See you later, see you tomorrow.
Then put in the cleaning fluid. The next stage is back over to the main part of the machine. Press and hold buttons 3 and 4, which are the second two buttons down on the left and the right. Simultaneously. You need to put a cup through to catch the water coming through. We'll then repeat the process pressing the milk button, which draws the milk through the whole pipe. You now see the milk pipe has gone clear. From this stage, we disconnect milk pipe, discard cleaning material and introduce a fresh water through it. So now it is only clear water going through and we're repeating the process that we did on the milk pipe. So it's press for a milk. And that is the process complete of that. The next stage is to remove the caputure, releasing it from the milk pipe, letting that hang loose, unscrew from the pipe to the boiler, and take that off and leave that in position. We then take the caputure, remove it into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. That then get the cleaning solution that we had, and we leave that to steep overnight. Replacing in the morning after cleaning again in a clear solution of just water only, and assembling as was disassembled. And that is the simplicity of cleaning the Gaia fresh milk machine. Thank you.